Hello my lovelies, it's a windy day. It's about 30 degrees out here and tomorrow will be 35. A friend just told me about a little country road with a massive amount of peach trees on the side of the road just growing wild, and I thought I'll come and get some peaches for the girls, and there's about seven of them just down the country road here. And so I thought, well, better come and get some. So I've got 2 shopping bags full of peaches for the goats and the 2 sheep, and they're gonna love me for it. I always love to give them little treats other than what they used to. But it's so nice to come out here, just thank the trees for their bounty and for bringing their pleasure and joy to us. And yes, it puts another spin on the term shopping on the side of the road, right? How beautiful. So they're white flesh, they're not very sweet, which is what I like. And honestly, the girls just don't care. As long as they can smell the peach, they're definitely going for it. And it just goes on and on. And I think on this road a lot of people may have stopped and just picked some of these beautiful peaches and then just throw the pips out. And thankfully, because of those actions, and of course the birds that come and eat and ensure that you know, the little pips just fall down, and it's just helping. There's a whole line of these trees and it's just helping them to keep spreading and provide more and more beautiful food for whoever wants and needs it, or just simple joy. Nothing like a warm peach fresh from the tree. And I also have 2 little friends here, and just send a few of these beauties over the fence for them. There's a few left. I think they've had their full, but they've been lingering in case there's more coming that's even sweeter than the previous ones. Okay my lovelies, take good care of yourselves, and remember, as in the case of today, you're never too old to learn something old and find beauty in unexpected places. Take care.